Welcome back to Lexus of Royal Oak. We are located at 7677 112th Avenue, Northwest Calgary, Alberta, in the Northwest Auto Mall. Here we have one of our pre-owned units. It is a 2016 Lexus RX450h Executive Plus package in the caviar finish. All vehicles purchased at Lexus of Royal Oak come with an automatic enrollment into our Royal VIP Rewards program. This vehicle is a low-mileage local Calgary car with a clean accident-free CarFax. Some of the features do include the premium LED headlamps with the auto-leveling headlamp system, LED daytime running lights, LED fog lights, front and rear park assist sensors, headlamp washers, blind spot monitor with the rear cross traffic alert, keyless entry with the push-to-start ignition, automatic high beam, power liftgate, head-up display, fuel door release, heated steering wheel, panoramic view monitor, power tilt and telescopic steering wheel, driver's seat memory seating, power folding side mirrors, power adjustable front seating, hands-free controls, lane departure alert with steering assist, dynamic radar cruise control, also equipped with the pre-collision. A 12.3-inch multimedia display with navigation and the integrated backup camera. A 15-speaker Mark Levinson premium surround sound audio system, dual-zone climate control, QI-compatible wireless smartphone charging, heated and ventilated front seats, drive mode select, panoramic sunroof, rear entertainment system with the 11.6-inch LCD screens, power folding rear seats, black interior in great condition, manual rear door sunshades, heated rear seats, and of course comes with the built-in legendary Lexus quality, reliability, and lowest luxury cost of ownership. To find out more on this vehicle, visit us at lexusofroyaloak.com or give us a call to schedule a test drive today at 403-296-9600.